Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today, I will be showing you how to install IntelliJ IDEA on a Windows operating system. So, let's begin. Now, before installing IntelliJ IDEA, I'd like to tell you why to use this software. So, if you're a Java developer or if you want to aspire as a Java developer, then I'll be recommending you to use this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. There are other couple of softwares available in the market, namely Eclipse IDE or NetBeans IDE. Both are useful, and also Eclipse IDE are extensively used in the industry. I will be making a separate video on Eclipse installation, but right now I will be showing you about IntelliJ IDEA, which is also a very good software, I would say. So let's dive into our video. So for that, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser, and in the address bar you need to just simply type IntelliJ IDEA download, right? Then enter, and you'll be seeing this www.jetbrains.com is basically our first search result. So just simply click on download IntelliJ IDEA, and it will going to redirect you to this official site of IntelliJ IDEA. First simply close these cookies and all, and if you just simply scroll down a bit, you will be getting download IntelliJ option available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And as I have told you, we are going to install community one, but if you want to use their paid service, then also you can download the ultimate one. And as I am going to download it for Windows, I am going to just simply click on this Windows tab and then just simply click on this download button, and it will going to start downloading our IntelliJ IDEA. I'll be also putting this link in the description. And you can see our download has been rightly started. Since I have already downloaded it, just simply cancel it. And if I just simply minimize my browser, and if I just simply go to my download directory, you can see IntelliJ IDEA 2021.3 has been rightly downloaded over here. Now to install, you need to just simply double click on it, and it will going to ask you for administrative privileges. So for that, just simply click on yes. And you can see welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition installation wizard has been directly opened over here. So let us first minimize our download directory, and here just simply click on next. So this is going to be our installation destination. If you want to keep this as a default, then just simply do nothing and then just simply click on next. Otherwise you can just simply click on browse and you can do that, but I'll be recommending you to not to do anything with this. Just simply click on next. And here under installation options, they have given some checkboxes. So from here, I'd like to check this IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition checked, so that it will going to create a desktop shortcut over here, so that you can easily navigate. You can easily open IntelliJ IDEA very quickly. I'd also like to check this open folder as a project, so that when you click on any Java related project, if you just simply right click on it, you'll be getting this open folder as a project option. And I'd like to use our IntelliJ IDEA for Java, so I'd like to check only Java. But if you are using some other languages like Groovy, Kotlin or any other languages, then also you can use these checkboxes. And this is very important, guys. You need to check this add bin folder to path. This is really important, guys. Do check that. Otherwise you need to set this path manually, which is, I would say, not at all recommended. Do check that, and then just simply click on next. And they're going to create this JetBrains folder. Keep this default. Just simply click on install, and it will going to start installing our IntelliJ IDEA. So if you just simply click on the show details, you can see that how the installation is actually happening. So this installing our IntelliJ IDEA will take a couple of minutes. So what I'll be doing is I'll be coming back right after installing our IntelliJ IDEA. Yeah. So welcome back. And now you can clearly see that our installation of IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup has been actually installed, and it is asking whether you'd like to reboot now or you'd like to manually reboot later. It is always recommended to reboot your system after installing IntelliJ IDEA, especially if you are setting your path. So it is very important to reboot your system. So just simply restarting your system and then again come back. I'll be also doing the same. Yeah. So welcome back. So after successfully restarting your system, you'll be seeing that our IntelliJ IDEA Community 2021.3 has been rightly installed. So just simply double click on this icon to basically start launching our IntelliJ IDEA, and you can see that our IntelliJ IDEA community has been directly launched. But right now it is asking whether I'd like to import IntelliJ IDEA settings. I don't have previously installed IntelliJ IDEA, so what I'll be recommending you is do not import settings. Otherwise, if you have previously installed, then you need to just simply check that and then just simply click on OK. But I'll click on this do not import settings, then OK, and it will going to start launching our IntelliJ IDEA. And you can see that our IntelliJ IDEA has been directly launched over here. So let us first maximize it, and I'll be also showing you how to run a simple hello world program in Java on IntelliJ IDEA. So for that, you need to just simply click on new project. So you'll be creating a brand new project on our IntelliJ IDEA IDE, and on new project window, rightly open, we are going to check Java. So you need to install Java prior installing IntelliJ IDEA, but if you have not installed, then also it's totally fine. You need to just simply click on this download JDK over there in that case. Otherwise, just simply keep this default. And depending upon what type of project you would like to create, if it's a Maven, Gradle or Android, so it totally depends upon what type of project you would like to create. So you need to choose from that. I'm going to just simply choose a simple Java project. Just simply select Java, then just simply click on next. And it also like to check whether you'd like to create a project template, which is I'll be recommending you also, so that it's going to create a main method, sample main method. So just simply check that, then just simply click on next. Now it's time to give a project name. So let's give a project name as a hello world, right? And they're going to create this hello world in our IDEA projects directory over there. Then just simply click on finish. And what it will do is it will going to start creating our hello world project. So you can see it is currently loading component, and it is currently loading our hello world project. And our hello world project has been directly opened over here. So our main class is also created, but it's currently showing some tip of the day. You can just simply close it for the time being. And here they are telling to write your code. So just simply hit enter. Then just simply type system.out.println, and we are going to print hello world over here, right? So just simply write that much, end with a semicolon, and then if you just simply click on this run button, what it will do is it will first start indexing our JDK 17 with our current project. So after completing indexing, it will going to compile it, and then it will going to open our command prompt and then going to show the output. So since we are doing this installing then also creating project for the first time, it might take some time, but we have a small error in our code. It will be out. I was like, don't know where I was, really sorry man. It will be system.out.println, and it will going to start building, then going to compile, and then it will going to show our output. See, hello world has been rightly shown in our console. So in this way, you can easily install the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA on your Windows operating system. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, as please do share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.